Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the top lid on the Narwal Freo X Plus robot vacuum and mop. So the first thing we're going to do is take our robot and flip it around like that. And if your robot is new, you're going to have this little sticker on the back that says remove the lid here. So on the back we're going to just grab our top lid and just pull it off. So it pulls off pretty easily, it's magnetic. And there you go, you removed the plate, and now you can remove all of the things inside of our robot here. And that's about it. If you want to put it back, just align it with the robot and it's going to snap in place. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.